Hello everyone, welcome back to Opportunity. So, are you ready to dive in an incredible opportunity in the field of cybersecurity? So, today we are discussing the Edunet Foundation and as well as IBM SkillsBuild, a cybersecurity 6-week virtual internship for January 2025. Stick around till the end as we are going to discuss all the details about this internship. So, what is the eligibility criteria and what are all the things that are required? Each and everything are discussed in this video. And also, don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment below. So, before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel so where you will get the content which is totally related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships, and a lot more content uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. Now let's start the video. So first off, let's talk about the internship. As this internship is designed for the students across the India and as well as provides a cutting edge knowledge in the cybersecurity. It's a collaboration between the Edunet Foundation and as well as IBM Skill Build, two giants in the tech education. So this program is completely virtual and lasts for the 6 weeks. So starting on the January 13, 2025, here is what it makes us special. A weekly virtual internship workshop with industry experts, a focus on essential cybersecurity concepts like network security, ethical hacking, and threat detection. It is a real world project that gives a hands on experience in your life. Now, why should you apply? So here is what you will get some of the fantastic benefits from this internship offer. So first, you will learn a certificate of the completion from the Edunet Foundation, so which will add you a lot of value to your resume as well. Second, you will have gain a digital credentials and are perfect for boosting your LinkedIn profile and making your application stand out. And the third, the mentorship from the industry professionals. So will help you to master to key aspects of cybersecurity and also preparing for your future job role. Now, who can apply? So wondering if you are eligible, here is the good news. This internship is open to all the students regardless of the specialization or background. So you should just need to be available for the 6 weeks and have an interest in the cybersecurity. It's all worth nothing. There is 5,000 openings are there. So make sure do not miss this high chance. So what you will gain in this? So during the internship, you will learn a key cybersecurity skills such as how to secure the network against the cyber threats, ethical hacking techniques to identify the vulnerabilities, advanced skills in threat detection and as well as responses also. So by the end of the program, you will have a completed an individual cybersecurity project and also showcase your skills in this. Now, how to apply for this? It is very simple. The link is the description box. So when you click on that link, you will get redirected to this page and you can simply press on I'm not robot and you can just apply button so it will get uploaded. So before that, if you have you need to create your account in this AICTE portal. Unless until if you do not have an account, you will not have option to log in or like you can enroll for this internship. So first you need to register your account over here by clicking the register button and then you can log into it and then you can apply for this internship. So what are you waiting for? It is an amazing internship and also drop your comments if you are planning to apply or have a questions. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Opportunity for more exciting career opportunities and hit the bell icon so you never miss any update. And I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity and good luck with your application.